Well, the tax fraud trial against the Trump Organization is actually now on hold after a witness tested positive for COVID. News 4's Erica Byfield is live in Lower Manhattan with that news and also what happened today in court. Erica.
Hey there, Adam. Yes, today in court, the jury actually was able to review many internal documentation when it comes to the Trump Corporation. Those documents are related to the top pay of those executives within the company. And prosecutors say what they saw on those pieces of paper show what was happening within that organization was illegal. An Upper West Side apartment, furniture, utilities, luxury cars, parking, and private school tuition, all perks a Manhattan jury learned that a Trump executive, Allen Weisselberg, got for years and never paid taxes on. That testimony came out during Jeffrey McConney's second day on the stand of the tax fraud trial. The government alleges for years the Trump Corporation and Trump Payroll Corporation hid payments to top executives to dodge paying taxes. On the stand, McConney told the jury that he's a longtime Trump Corporation comptroller and processed payroll. A prosecutor asked McConney, the change allowed the Trump Corporation to put less into his paycheck. He responded, yes, that decision permitted the Trump Corporation to pay less to Allen Weisselberg. He said yes. Allen Weisselberg is the state star witness. He's already pleaded guilty in connection to this case and is expected to testify later. Also on the witness list, President Donald Trump and his oldest children. They are not accused of committing any crimes. Tuesday marked the first full day that prosecutors got to present their side. They say for 15 years the Trump Corporation engaged in a scheme to underpay Weisselberg and others and then made up for the gap with untaxed fringe benefits. After displaying a stack of spreadsheets, the prosecutor asked McConney, are you reducing his W-2 for a portion of his rent? He said yes. The jurors also saw alleged tax-free cash payments that Weisselberg got so that he could hand out Christmas tips to his doorman, super, and others. Internal ledgers called that money Christmas entertainment. The prosecutor said, is that a way to hide cash? McConney said yes. In addition to that, the jury heard testimony that former President Trump personally wrote hundreds of thousands of dollars in checks for Weisselberg's grandchildren's tuition to an elite private school. Compensation the government says was not taxed. McConney admitted that was true. Finally, the jury also learned that things changed when Trump got elected. The prosecutor asked, did she direct you to clean things up? McConney then said, I was instructed to do things differently. So this may be a question you may be asking, how exactly did they hide this pay? According to what the prosecutors were saying in court today, they split up that income between the W-2, the 1099, and then those off-the-books perks. We also want to let you know that this trial is now on hold until Monday, but that's because McConney tested positive today for COVID during the lunch break. So the judge brought all of the jurors back in the courtroom, told them what happened, didn't say who tested positive, but then instructed them that they need to be back in the courtroom for a 9:30 start on Monday. Downtown, Erica Byfield, News 4, New York.